Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. I have an awesome deal for you today on Scott toilet paper. This will be on the Scott 1000, but let me go ahead and go over a couple of the codes that you will be needing for your online purchases this week at Walgreens. This is an easy couponing deal, beginner friendly. Anybody could do this deal. Simple, super simple to follow along. Just simply watch the entire video and you'll be able to make out for an awesome deal. If you have points, this deal is going to be perfect for you because you're going to be lowering your out of pocket and possibly getting it completely free. I'll go over it in a minute. These are the codes that you will need for online purchases. If you purchase $30 or more side wide, you'll be getting 15% off with code Easter15. 20% off on a purchase of $60 or more with code Easter20. If you need a Walgreens brand allergy relief or Walgreens brand products like vitamins, etc., you'll get an additional 20% off with code WAG20, WAG 20. On top of that, those products are buy one, get one half off. And best of all, this week at Walgreens, we're going to be getting free 1 hour delivery, on select products. Make sure you select that option if you can't leave your house or if you just want to save gas. Basically, I'm just gonna try to save gas because gas prices are gonna go through the roof pretty soon. Spend $20 or more and get free 1 hour delivery. Obviously, if you select that, if you want to tip the delivery person, then you're more than welcome to. You don't have to, but if you do, then hey, God bless you, right? Because those delivery drivers, those delivery people are that's their job basically. They live off of tips. All right, so let me go ahead and get started with this deal. We're going to be going over to the weekly ad, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you watch the Get Ready With Me video, I know the microphone wasn't working. I don't know for what reason that happened, but the microphone wasn't working. It was a video that I once where I showed you the entire sales ad and what products will be available this week for sale at Walgreens. So here we are. This is the Scott bath tissue. It's $9.99 this week, and it is part of the Red Nose Day. If you purchase these products, you're going to be helping out Red Nose Day Foundation. So let me go ahead and shop the products so I can show you what we were able to pick up and what I'm going to be getting. This deal is good through April 15th, April 9th, which is today, all the way through April 15th. So you have all week to do this deal. And you can repeat it if you need to, if you want to get more products. As you can see here, it is available for pickup. It is available for same day delivery. Yes, I love same day delivery because that means I don't have to get the kids in the car. I don't have to do anything except order online and they'll bring it right to my doorstep and I just open the door and bring the products right in. Hey, I love that. Thank you, Walgreens. And I specifically like the fact that it's spend 20 or more and get free delivery. They used to make us spend 30 or $35. So I'm more than excited that it's now spend 20. You could also order online for shipping and they'll ship it straight from the warehouse to your house. Straight from the warehouse to your house. How's that? Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so let me go ahead and add the products that I'm going to be getting this week. I'm going to be adding 3 of them all together in my cart. And let me go to my cart so I can show you how we're going to do this deal. I'm also going to show you how to use Walgreens Cash Rewards. So don't go anywhere. A lot of people have been asking me, can you show us where we get that? Can you show us how to select, replace the product with same brand or etc.? I'm going to show you everything here. So there's no questions. You'll be able to follow along, like I said, and you'll be able to do a perfect deal this week at Walgreens. So these are $9.99. Make sure you select the store that you're going to be picking up at. And remember the store that you're going to be picking up at. Don't make the mistake that I did last week, if you remember, where I ordered online and I had to pick up at one store and it was all the way across town. I thought I was going to, I went to the wrong store to pick up my order. Anyhow, 3 of these are going to be $29.97. We do have a dollar off manufacturer coupon that will apply here. Make sure you select that dollar off coupon, which is this one here. That'll take off $1 on one. We don't have any other coupons, but if you have more coupons, sometimes people get double the coupons or triple. Select whatever coupons you have in your Walgreens account. You're going to be using code CLEAN15, CLEAN 15, clean 15. That's going to save you an additional $4.35. So altogether, we're saving $5.35 with code CLEAN15 and the $1 off coupon that's available in your Walgreens app. Okay. Our total here is $29.97 before tax. We're going to be using clean 15. So it's $29.97 minus 435 with code clean 15 minus a dollar manufacturer coupon. That brings our total down to $24.62. As I mentioned, I will be using my Walgreens cash rewards to pay here to lower my out of pocket and make for an awesome, awesome deal. Sorry, I thought I was showing you the codes here and the coupon. There they are. Now you can see them clearly. I'm not getting anything back, but that doesn't matter. As long as I'm able to use my cash rewards to pay, I'm more than happy. And this is a really good deal, even if you can't, or even if you don't have Walgreens cash rewards. If you just want to pick up two of these, you're more than welcome to. It's a pretty good deal. $9.99 is an awesome deal for 12 count rolls of toilet paper. Since these are $13.99 regular price, that's already a good deal. But we're gonna make it even better with code CLEAN15 and our $1 off coupon. On top of that, we're gonna be using our Walgreens cash to pay. So let me go ahead and sign in. I'm gonna change the screen a little bit while I sign in. But like I always tell you, I'm not trying to share all my personal information. So that's why you're not going to see that portion while I log in. I'll show you the next step in a minute. Just give me 1 second so I could um, refresh my screen and I'll show you exactly where I'm at right now. Okay, so let me go to proceed to checkout. I'm clicking the button that says proceed to checkout. And here we are. Here we are. I'm at the Walgreens cash reward screen. As you can see here, my total with tax is $27.18. It does tell me that I have a total of $26.45 in Walgreens cash available, but I could only redeem up to $20 in this case. If I had $50 or more in Walgreens cash, I would be able to redeem up to $50. That's the maximum. So $20 will be able to redeem. So I'm going to click $20. You can redeem whatever you want. You don't have to redeem 20. You could do 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. I'm going to do 20 or there we go. As you can see there, my total goes down by $20 to $7.18. That does include tax. So let me get you the total without tax. 718 minus 256. That brings my total down to $4.62, rolling my cash rewards to pay here. Rolling $4.62 for 3 packs of toilet paper, making each of them $1.54. I call that an awesome, awesome deal for 3 packs of 12 count Scott paper toilet, Scott toilet paper. I know a lot of people are like, what? Scott toilet paper, not paper toilet, right? And like I said, if you order online for store pickup, you're going to be able to pick up in store within 30 minutes. You could also order this online for delivery, completely free delivery, like I showed you. You don't need any codes or anything. I won't be selecting it here because that I cannot block out the information. So if I do that, you're going to be seeing my address and everything. So if you select free delivery to home, just make sure you enter the proper address. Make sure you select the right address, and it's going to ask you to have your products delivered from a particular store. You can select what store you want them delivered from. So you don't need to have them delivered from the store close to your home. You can have it delivered from whatever store you choose. Again, thank you for so much love. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what topics you guys want to cover in the podcast section of this video or of this channel. I'm sorry. I will be having a podcast section, and I'm going to be going over a couple stories couponing stories or stories that have happened here to me and to some of my subscribers that share them with me. They sent me their stories, and I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, girl, I can't believe that happened to you. But anyway, I'll be more than happy to share those with you. Thank you for so much love. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.